An ordinary highway patrol stop instantly takes a chilling turn when an officer looks into the back seat and realizes a little girl is sitting completely defenseless in the face of a fatal disaster. And the most terrifying part of this entire interaction? The mother had absolutely no idea her child was in immediate danger. It is a hidden mistake that millions of well-meaning parents make every single day, completely trusting equipment that is actually a ticking time bomb in a high-speed collision. Watch exactly what this officer uncovers when he tears down this car seat. What he reveals in the next few moments might just save your own family's life.
Alright, why is your little one not buckled up?
An officer pulls over a driver and notices that a young child in the back seat is completely unbuckled. The parent mentions the child must have just unbuckled themselves or moved.
I think she just moved like the part.
She moved what part? So let me ask you, what good is that going to do her? Say again?
No good.
The officer sternly but respectfully explains the life or death stakes. He notes that in a serious collision, an unbuckled child will be ejected from the vehicle and die because their young bodies cannot handle the force of an accident.
She will be ejected in the event of a serious collision, then she will die. You have to be better than that with them. They're not us. They cannot. She will not withstand an accident. Her body is just not developed enough. You have to love her more than that. So I'm a parent. I get kids can move seat belts and take them off, but that's not okay. That's not acceptable. Okay. We are going to address the child seat. So let's go ahead and have you step out, and we're going to make sure that's done properly.
The officer as the driver step out of the car to inspect the seat together. He checks the booster seat for damage, verifies its expiration date noting they typically last 6-10 years, and ensures it matches the child's weight requirements.
She should have a back on there, so...
I know, I told my boyfriend that, but I can't fight with
let's pull her out real quick. We're gonna look at this. And the reason I make a big deal about this is because, like I said before, they don't stand a chance in an accident. So we have to step back from her real quick. So we're gonna undo this. Oh look, not even buckled in. She's not gonna make it. You have to get that through. You and your husband or your boyfriend, you have to be better than that, okay? So at least have these anchored in, right?
Right.
So yes, I know we move booster seats around and we think that the seat belt is going to be enough, but if for whatever reason this comes out from underneath them in the event of a collision, which can do very easily because it's not anchored in, then they're really going to get injured if not fully ejected. So first thing I'm looking for in something like this, I'm going to make sure that it's not cracked, it's not damaged. Did you buy this new?
Yeah, I did.
Okay. So what I like to look for first is I'm looking for the manufacturer date. Looks like it's good. These typically last for about 6 to 10 years, okay? So you're definitely good on this. I would say at least 60 pounds before you're starting to use something like this, just because their bodies are still so light. They don't hold up well in the accidents. But you're the parent. I can't force you to do anything, but what I do want to let you know is what you're up against, okay? So again, just make sure you're looking right there where it says the weight on here and check the manufacturer.
The officer physically demonstrates how to locate the vehicle's built and anchor points, and locks the booster seat directly into the car frame so it cannot slip out during a crash. He then shows how the lap and shoulder belt must be safely routed across the child. He explains that the Manassas City Police Department offers free child safety seat inspections to help parents ensure their equipment is installed perfectly.
Date on there, and you should be good to go, okay? So, if you look at the seat, I know it's a rental, but you see these little dots right here?
Yeah.
So this is showing you where the anchor points are, okay? So underneath here, there's an anchor. So if you move that just to the side, you can feel it. So we're going to anchor this in there, okay? So let's do that now. Put this through here. Good. You can go ahead and sit her in there. But nonetheless, make sure this shoulder belt is on her. So we'll put this underneath like so. And then put it over her lap. Okay. And then back up underneath. Watch your hands, sweetheart. and then right here. Okay? So, and then we'll do a quick test. There we go. So now we know this will lock in place. But this has to stay like that, okay?
Okay.
Alright. Yeah.
Just use it to
I have kids and I understand how that goes, but just every now and again glance back, make sure she's not doing anything that's taking a seatbelt off or just running around the car, okay? Okay. Any questions on why I stopped you or anything we discussed?
No, I got it.
It's okay. Just make sure you take care of that little one, okay? Alright, take care. Here you go.